Hello everyone, today in front of me I have this Oukitel OKT1 tablet, and in today's video we would like to show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first of all, open up the Google Play Store. Here at the search bar just type in Opera. Once the new app is found, just click on this green install button and wait for the application to get downloaded and installed respectively. Alrighty, now let's go ahead and open it. Here you want to tap on this blue continue button. Next, there is the configurations that allow us to choose what permissions exactly will be granted to the Opera. You can either customize them by tapping on this button or accept everything it needs and choose allow. And that will basically mean that you can start using the Opera browser from now on. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and bye bye.